Hello, good evening. Today, in this video, I would like to teach you how to convert the sentences into present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous. I write a letter. I have been writing a letter. I have been writing a letter. Subject have been प्लस वर्ड की फर्स्ट फॉर्म आईएनजी के साथ और ऑब्जेक्ट. नाउ बोर्ड क्वेश्चंस, बोर्ड का एग्जाम का जो पेपर आता है इंग्लिश का, उसमें सेक्शन बी में जो सवाल होता है, डू एज डायरेक्टेड एज अकॉर्डिंग टू इंस्ट्रक्शन गिवन इन द ब्रैकेट. जो भी इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया हुआ उसके मुताबिक. उसमें ये भी होता है जो मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ कि आप सेंटेंस को टेंस में तब्दीली करें. सेंटेंस की टेंस में तब्दीली, राइट. तो प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस हैज बीन और वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म. आई राइट, आई हैव बीन राइटिंग. शी राइट्स, she has been writing. I ate, I have been eating. यानी मैं अगर जो भी टेंस में बोलूँगा आपको उसको प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट हैज़ बीन में तब्दील करना है. हैज़ बीन और वर्ड की फर्स्ट फॉर्म के साथ आएंगे. She ate fruits, she has been eating fruits. Dog had barked, dog has been barking. Fatma had sung a song. Fatma had sung a song. Fatma has been singing a song. I waited for you. I have been waiting for you. She went to market. She has been going to market. She waited for me. She has been waiting for me. I wrote a letter. I have been writing a letter. Present perfect continuous has been और have been वर्ड की फर्स्ट फॉर्म आईएनजी के साथ. I drove a car. I drove a car. सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस है. I have been driving a car. I have been driving a car. Tanveer cooked rice. Tanveer has been cooking rice. Tanveer cooked rice, simple past tense है. Tanveer has been cooking rice. Ahmad played cricket. Ahmad has been playing cricket. Fatma had sung a song. Fatma had sang a song. Fatma has been singing a song. The children had played cricket. The children have been playing cricket. I caught fishes. I caught fishes. I have been catching fishes. The children had plucked the flower. The children had plucked the flower. The children have been plucking flowers. The peon was ringing the bell. The peon was ringing the bell. ये past continuous है. The peon has been ringing the bell. I have waited for you. I have been waiting for you. I have waited for you. ये प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट है. इसको आप प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस में तो I have been waiting for you. She went to school. She has been. Went का go और ing. She went to school. She has been going to school. He sold a car. He has been selling a car. Dogs were barking. Dogs were barking. The dog has been barking. It rains. It has been raining. It is raining. It has been raining. It was raining. It has been raining. Right? I spoke English. I have been speaking English. Spoke speak में किया, ing लगाया, have been लगाया. I have been speaking English. ये आपका बिल्कुल सही जवाब होगा. तो आपको प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूज में इस तरह से तब्दील करेंगे और आपका जवाब बिल्कुल सही होगा. ओके, आज के लिए इतना सबक काफ़ी है. ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच. नोटबुक ले ले, उसके ऊपर में क्वेश्चन लिखे. चेंज द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस इनटू प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस. जो जो जुमले मैंने बोलो, आई स्पोक इंग्लिश, आप चेंज करके लिखिए. आई हैव बीन स्पीकिंग. आई रोट इंग्लिश. आई हैव बीन राइटिंग इंग्लिश. शी वेटेड फॉर मी. शी हैज बीन वेटिंग फॉर मी. ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच. ओके, नेक्स्ट वीडियो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन के साथ.